Before I started working with Michelle, I had a 12-month drought. So I was not enrolling clients at all. And I kept getting no's back to back to back. So, in fact, I was following a script that was given to me by my school. And the script just was not working, no matter how much I tweaked it or no matter how much I tried. And so I ended up hiring another coach and got another script, and that still was not working. And I was feeling so discouraged, like, I suck at this. There must be something wrong with me because all of my calls were ending with, I can't afford it. I need to check with my husband or I'll think about it. And I was obsessing, like Googling how to handle objections and all this other stuff. And I remember being inside of Michelle's community and seeing how excited people were to work with her and seeing her clients actually post about their results. And I knew that I wanted to hire her at some point. So I did. And it was the best decision I ever made because I realized that like it wasn't me, it was the script, and when I realized that I could do sales calls and trust myself without following a script, because it's hard to follow a script and try to be present with the person on the phone. Like I'm constantly looking over trying to get it word for word right, and I just wasn't doing it. So when Michelle introduced her framework to me, her discovery call framework to me, and the Empowered Yes formula, I felt so relieved. Like I had no more anxiety on sales calls. And here's the thing, get this, because this is what I'm really excited to share is that within 2 months of working with Michelle, I had my first 5K month. It took me the year before, it took me the whole 12 months to make that. But I made that in 3 weeks after working with Michelle. And I couldn't believe it. I thought I was dreaming. And the fact that it was easier than what I was doing was ridiculous. I couldn't believe how much easier it was than what I was doing. So I really like appreciate Michelle for showing this single mommer that I can trust myself to be on sales calls and be completely myself without feeling scared or nervous or building up to the point, of where people are going to say no to me. Like I just feel really confident on sales calls now. I feel really good. And Michelle really proved to me that, I don't need a script, that I can follow my intuition and I can follow her framework and it works. So if you're thinking about working with Michelle in any kind of way or fashion, I definitely think that you should because it works. So thank you so much for Michelle for, just thank you. That's all I can really say. This video will go way much longer if I allowed it to, but thank you so much, Michelle, for everything that you've done for me. I truly appreciate it.